I'm the HR executive of BSI Steel. I've got a team of 5 staff that support me. We are largely a trading organisation of about 300 people in the country. We have operations in Cape Town, down in KZN and up in Gauteng. We had a previous payroll system which we had for 25 years, so it really was part of the furniture. It was outdated. The support was not great. We needed to do backups. We were forever reinstalling and overriding the payroll. It was limited in its HR modules within the system.
So with our previous payroll, there was little to no support, and it was also we needed to run everything on our servers, which could pose a business risk. But with PaySpace, we don't need to be connected to any servers, so that takes away that risk.
So we really wanted to look at something that was cloud-based, innovative, great support, affordable for the business, and then something that would future-proof the business, take us forward with regards to what we would need in coming years. So continual development and creativity, along with that reliability of making sure payroll was balancing, is what I was looking for. The other factor that was really attractive to us, we're a small to medium-sized business, so affordability of being able to pay per payslip, as and when we printed, pay once off, everything's contained, all modules are contained in that cost. You don't pay it at the end of a year, you pay it each and every month, so it really does help for cash flow purposes as well. It was a whole lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I really can't believe I went from research to implementation in 6 months, which was really fantastic. We all love it. HR loves it, the managers love it, the people love it. So there's a lot of employee self-service features which empowers them to be able to do their own claims online, do their pay slips, compare previous pay slips to current pay slips, look at recruitment that we've got online. Our line managers love the manager self-service. It gives them full access to everything that they need to see for their staff. Most importantly, we've got a lot of warehouse staff. They love Paysi, which is the online ESS on WhatsApp. So they have access as well to everything that an office-based employee has. The support when we're running payroll and we've got queries, the questions are answered within minutes. So it's no longer this, oh, we've logged a query, we'll hear a day or two later what our query is. So it's live. Everything we're doing, as we close off each day, we know exactly where we stand with the system.
All you need to do is send a message on Teams and you get a response just like that within a minute or two. So I feel that the support that we get from PaySpace is almost instant.